Hi guys, and welcome back to CC Investing. My name is Chester, and today I'm here to give you an update coming through on the US30. As you can see, pretty strong falling wedge to the downside. Falling wedges, guys, they tend to usually break to the upside, so around a 9.84% move to the upside to be looking out for there. Measure move looking something along the lines of this here. Currently priced the US30 around 30,888 there. We have seen a pretty strong macro downtrend overall, setting lower highs coming through with confidence here, not coming up and testing and invalidating any lower highs. No higher lows really being set there with the confirmation of that of the move to the upside. We did see a little cheeky lower high here, not quite getting to that low here back in March 2020, but you can see from there we came up to the lower high here and basically cascaded down and broke that low and basically just had the continuation of that downtrend. Yeah, so not looking too hot there for the US30 on the macro, but in terms of good news here, we are still going to be looking for positions across the board. Let's jump down to the shorter term timeframes and look at that, because you can see we do have a micro uptrend coming through, and the support on the lower side from this is looking like so here, guys. So as you can see, the next support, if we do dump to the downside, it is going to be around 30,572. That's going to be a point to really be looking out for there. And if we do break the resistance to the top side here, then we could be looking for a move up, guys. And this is going to be quite nice if this is going to happen, because you can see the resistance coming through from this 30,959 there. If we can break that resistance there and break this trend line to the upside, then it is going to be quite likely that we are going to have a nice little move up and the continuation of this trend. It probably will be a bit parabolic, but yeah, we'll still be getting in and getting that profit banked, right? In terms of percentages there for the US30, we're looking for around a 2%, which is absolutely insane, right? Absolutely insane if that is going to happen. So yeah, that's definitely something I'm going to be looking for there. To the upside, if we can break this filthy horizontal and also this upward sloping resistance line there. Now, as you can see, we do have an upward sloping parallel channel, guys. You can see the support that we were just talking about on the lower side there. So I would really be looking for a move to the downside if we are going to break this trend line, right? If we break to the upside here, I'm going to be looking for a move to the upside. If we break the downside, I'm going to be moving to the downside here. 30,518. That's an area sort of to be looking out for there. If we can break this low, I would be taking profit at all these major higher lows here. As you can see, that's going to be around 30,300. You can see again, we're going to be around 30,059 and something along the lines of the low around 29,800, right? That does bring me on to that low point again. That's sort of the bounce I would be looking for there for the US30. Let's bring up some indicators and see if we can get some more data. As you can see straight away, you can see the 55 EMA there, that's actually holding, right? That's actually holding really, really, really well in terms of a level of support. And we didn't have that the last time that we actually tested these levels. So definitely something to be looking out for there to the upside. Let's bring up the MACD and let's see how this trend is progressing. As you can see, we did see the momentum start to slow down here for this uptrend, but it's slowly coming back, guys. It's slowly coming back, which is actually looking fairly bullish indeed, right? It is looking fairly bullish. Not too bad overall there for the MACD, having a continuation of that trend. In terms of the RSI here, let's have a look. Any divergences that we need to be looking out for there? Nothing really that I can see right now. Yeah, nothing really that I can see right now. Yeah, nothing really that congruent. I would say we do have quite a nice level of support coming up, something along the lines of this, a bit of spillage over here. But yeah, if we do see a bit of a dump down, then that's probably going to indicate a nice little bounce around 30,500 as well there. So yeah, not looking too shabby at all for the US30. Let's keep that in our back pocket and see if we can find a little move for today, right? Let's see if we can find a little move for today. I would say in the hourly is a bit too choppy. Yeah, to be honest, it's probably a scenario where you just want to wait for that solid breakout, right? And that breakout is going to be, just to summarize again, around that 30,980 sort of level, right? But yeah, that's going to be update today on the US30. Thank you ever so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, you know the score. But yeah, peace out and goodbye from CC Gang.